30th. It is 9:04. I'm headed to the gym, if you can hear me, because my AC is going crazy because it's so cold outside. And I know I'm vlogging on my phone right now because I just realized it's film day, and I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta pull out my camera. Also, whatever, okay, this is just really having fun, so just don't mind it. I'm doing everything I can. I'm just gonna go for like an hour. I always just I listen to one sermon and then I leave. So just how long one sermon is how long I'm gonna stay. And then here, let me turn this down just a little bit. And then I'm going to Starbucks for me and Kenna, just grabbing us a few things. I'm not really sure what the plan is today. Most of it, I don't have anything till 6, but I'll try to put something in here that's a little bit fun. And if not, I could totally combine, but yes, headed to the gym, gonna go home, gonna do some school, I gotta watch a film, and then we'll see. Okay, just finished up at the gym. I'm gonna take my hair down because I look really scary. So I just grabbed some Starbucks for me and Ken. Also, guys, if you haven't tried the toasted white mocha drink from Starbucks, oh my gosh, I'm not that much of a white mocha person, like just like the drink by itself, because I think it's like way too sweet. But the toasted has like this like more of like a coffee taste to it, but it's still like sweet and it's a little caramely. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I have to watch a film. The film that I'm watching today is called Chronos. It's like supposedly a horror movie, so that's cool. If you're wondering like why I have to watch films, I'm in a film class right now because if you don't know, the major that I want to go into is writing and directing. So a lot of that, you know, you have to learn from films. You have to learn from reading. You have to learn from a lot of different things. I am learning from films right now in film class. I'm also learning from theater and poetry because I want to understand the essence of writing, if you know what I mean. So yes, I am working on that. I've watched, I think, 8 films so far in this class, and I have 3 left, and it's pretty sad because they're all so entertaining. There was only one that I didn't like, and it was called Tin Drum. It's about the Nazis and stuff. I didn't like it because they show, like, I know you're probably not interested in what I'm saying right now, but if you've watched that movie, you know what I'm talking about. They show way too much. Like, they show way too much. All right, guys, so I'm gonna give you a little update. It's way later. It's 3:24. Basically, I went to the gym. I got me kind of Starbucks. I came home and I watched 2 films, which took me up until about an hour and a half ago. I finished, then I took a shower, as you can tell, and now I'm editing Sunday's vlog, and I figured that I would update you guys because the title of this video, I don't know if that's gonna happen today or if that's gonna happen tomorrow. Pretty sure I won't have time tomorrow unless it's tomorrow night. We'll see, but it is gonna happen. So if you like organizing videos and you're like, what the heck, Allie, where is it at? It might not happen today because I have to go to my dad's in about 2 hours. So that's gonna be a little difficult, but we might do something fun with my dad tonight. So we'll see. And if I'm saying this weird stuff about a title of the video and this isn't the title of the video and something else happens, then you'll see what's like coming up. All right, guys, I finished at a reasonable time. So I am gonna start this today. The fridge today, it's pretty bad. Like, it's just kind of like stuff filled, and I don't even know if all of this is necessary. Like, do we need all of this stuff? Like, are we gonna eat every single thing in here? Know what I mean? And it doesn't smell right either. It just smells like garlic. Doesn't smell good. And then we got this too. This is not gonna happen today, I can tell you that right now. This is not gonna be finished today. I can also tell you that right now. If it's finished today, I will jump for joy, but I'm not so sure about that. I'm just gonna start like and work my way up. Like, start with the drawers, clean them out. But first I should probably do the dishes so I can get like this clear for when I put the thing in. Also, guys, we are getting like our house like redone, like kind of. This is gonna be, we're getting granite countertops. I just thought I would share because I'm really excited. Where is it? Oh, here. We're getting like these countertops, which will look really nice with our gray walls. And then we're getting new flooring, which I think the flooring is over here. And this is happening sometime in December, I believe. Okay, the flooring's also gone. That's all right too. Oh, maybe it's up here. Hi, buddy. Yes, here. the flooring. It's gonna look so good. Then we're getting this room painted and this room painted tomorrow and the following day. So Coda is ecstatic. Coda's like, yes, finally, it's gonna look so good. I'm gonna get started with this. The next time the next time I vlog, our living room will look so different. Okay, anyways, I think. I might vlog Friday. Today's a Wednesday. I might vlog Friday as well, but I don't know yet. We're gonna get started, and I'll keep like updating you guys with progress. It's not gonna be the most fun project. Guys, first drawer done. I just put in the things that we're having scrubbed inside, underneath, back here, and then inside the fridge. Got just the food, like leftovers from the past couple days. Got some rice, turkey. My mom's making this tomorrow. My mom's using these two things to make tomorrow and this to make tomorrow. So, got that one done. Now just from the rest of that up and a lot of scrubbing, because it's pretty nasty in here, I'm not gonna lie. Like that took like 10 minutes just for that one. So luckily it wasn't as bad as I thought, but that also was the most empty drawer. So drawers are finally done and completely scrubbed out, but I don't know what I did because this one won't close. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but I'm glad I don't have any more drawers left. I just have to scrub that one over here. Look at, like, it's so nasty. Like, it's literally like covered in like weird stuff. So I need to scrub that off. I scrubbed the walls down. I'll have to do the door, but the door won't take long, I don't think. And I might be able to finish this before my dad's, but I might only be able to finish those two. I'm not really sure. We'll see. But oh gosh, wow. I am so sorry. It's been a few days, but I did finish the fridge. I'll show you. It's so much, there's so much more to put in here now. It was really bad before. She knows, but.
I think the garbage people hate us because that one can was so heavy I could barely carry it down to the street.
Oh yeah, that one was real. That's why I had to move the garbage can like right outside the door because it was so heavy. It was mainly like bottle stuff, like.
I know.
So, but. But anyways, yeah, it doesn't have as weird of a smell anymore either. So.
You're gonna put that on your wall.
Well, our fridge always kind of does smell a little weird.
Because things get buried and gross.
I know, but it doesn't have that right now, so that's great. But anyway, oh my gosh, yeah, I got 9 hours and 36 minutes of sleep last night. That is 6 minutes over what PRC said. That's pretty good. But anyways, I'm gonna go grocery shopping, but I'm gonna do that in a different vlog. That's the end of this video. So today's vlog, you guys will be seeing this Friday, I believe. And you guys are seeing this on a Tuesday, unless you're watching like a couple days later. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my little organization video. And I will see you guys in a couple days.